What's up, guys? So I did just sell out of my position of FFIE. I sold over 900 shares at 55 cents, resulting in a 10 almost what was it, 11% profit, guys. I only had about $450 invested, made $42 on the day, which was just amazing on this small little trade. Now, as you can see here on the 30-minute, it is just basically consolidating, right? Consolidating, getting rejected all the way down. And then I seen areas of interest or consolidation at the 49.50. It did bounce back all the way back to that $49.50 level. And that's when I decided to take a play or a position and go and make a decent amount of money, over $42. Now it is still going up. As you can see here, I could have made quite a bit more money, almost 14%. So leaving a little bit on the table, but still happy with making over $42 in less than 30 minutes on about a $450 position. So if I would have put $1,000 in, then this would have been at $84, and I would have potentially made $80 in less than 30 minutes. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick little recap. Subscribe to the channel for more, and catch us live every day at Market Open. You can watch me trade companies just like this live, ask me questions, get inside my head as to why I'm taking these trades, when I'm buying, when I'm selling, etc. Also join us for a Sunday night stock talk at 7 p.m. my time. So definitely subscribe to the channel and smash that like button if you haven't already. Thanks, guys, and we will see you all in the next video.